Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how can you lower your ping onto Fortnite. Now we're going to do some settings on Windows first. Then we're going to do one setting onto Fortnite, and it's going to hopefully lower your ping in Fortnite. So first of all, we need to download your respected Ethernet, your LAN Ethernet cable drivers. So basically, each motherboard has a different Ethernet drivers. So let's say if you're using an Intel, if you're using an AMD board, each one of them has a different drivers from its own respected websites. So how can you know what motherboard you have? So first of all, you're going to click Windows R, and you're going to write MS Info, okay, 32. Once you click on once you write this, you're going to click on Enter, and once you click on Enter, you're going to go all the way to something called over here, baseboard product. Okay, baseboard product is B450 Tomahawk Max 2. Okay, it's from Microstar International, which is basically MSI. So my motherboard is from MSI. So I need to download the drivers of the internet of MSI. So I'm going to go onto any browser, and then I'm going to search for MSI. There is my motherboard, and then onto drivers, I'm going to download the LAN drivers, Windows 10, and then I'm going to download my respective drivers. Once I download them, okay, here we go. We're going to go on to Task Manager. We're going to do some settings for so how we can do Task Manager, Device Manager. I'm sorry. You're going to click on Windows and S, and you're going to search for Device Manager. Okay, once you click on that, you're going to go on to something called Network Adapters. Okay, and onto the first one, you're going to click over here, right click, and Properties. Once you click on Properties, you need to do one important change, which is the Power Manager, which is make sure this is allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Make sure this is unchecked. Okay, it is crucial. Okay, once you've done that, okay, I want you to go all the way to Advanced. Okay, and then go on to all the way down to something called power saving mode, and make sure this is disabled. And one last thing is to make sure the drivers are updated. Okay, search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, the best drivers are already installed for your device. Once you do that in your Windows settings, you need to make sure in Fortnite that you are in the lowest server, okay, that you have. So basically, you're going on to settings in Fortnite. Okay, once you're going to settings, you're going to this cog wheel. Okay, once you're here, make sure the server has the lowest ping possible, which is in my case is Europe, 47 milliseconds. Make sure this is on the lowest possible you can make, and once you do that, you're going to have the lowest ping possible you can get for your own in Fortnite. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.